Courage doesn't always look like a roar. Sometimes it's a quiet, I remember it differently. Sometimes courage means saying, that wasn't how it happened. I was there too. I wasn't the one who caused the chaos. I was just trying to let people through it. For many of us, especially in families touched by trauma, the past can feel like a story we're no longer allowed to tell. But even when memory is foggy, even when people rewrite the story to protect themselves, your truth still matters. This is your ninth stone. Take a breath in and exhale softly. Place your hand on your heart or chest. Feel the weight of what you've carried, maybe for years. The silence, the blame, the confusion. You don't need to explain it all now. You don't need to remember every detail. But you can say something true, silently in your mind, or whisper if it feels safe. This was heavy. It wasn't all my fault. I was trying. And if your memory feels cloudy, that's not weakness. That's survival. You can say, even if I don't remember everything, I still know what I felt. Let the waves hold you. Inhale, exhale. Still here. Still worthy. Still telling the truth. When you speak the truth, especially the parts no one wants to hear, you're not breaking the peace. You're ending the silence that shame depends on. Courage isn't always public. Sometimes it's quiet. Sometimes it's just this moment, this breath. You named it. That's your ninth stone. One breath, one shift, one calm ripple.